Hi guys! So this is Nicole of Pulse and Blooms, and I want to give a message for you for your March. So parang what can you expect for your March na month? Okay? So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. So tignan natin what your March will be. Okay? Let's see. Wow. Oops. Okay. Okay. So, I have here 7 cards for you. I got here the Ace of Wands, Judgment card in reverse, High Priestess, Two of Swords, Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Chariot card. So, by the month of March, something happened from January to February that made you feel na parang, oops, teka lang, parang kailangan kong maghinay-hinay sa mga bagay-bagay, and parang may overwhelming feeling akong nasa-sense, but by the month of March, you are being asked to be very caring, put so much care in you, na kailangan mo ng self-care, na you're a very intuitive person, you are very, alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, but this time, you can just slow down, and do not be in a very, tawag dito, impulsive state of mind ba. Kumbaga, paghandaan mo muna lahat ng mga kailangan mong gawin by this month, na parang, kumpara nung ginawa mo nung January and February, while you have the, alam mo yung pakiramdam na nag-prepare ka pero bakit parang kulang pa din? Yun. So, by the month of March, you will be given another opportunity to start again. Okay? So, parang itong opportunity na ibibigay sa'yo, oops, kailangan, ito na yun, parang, you will be asked to get to know more of yourself this time, na parang, timplahin mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Kasi definitely, you can make anything impossible turn into something possible. Okay, kasi parang pakiramdam ko dito, you've been judging yourself pretty harshly lately, no? Dun sa January, February na month. So this time, I think it's time for you to do self-introspection ba, na connect to your intuition, know which way to go and which way not to go. Yun yung nasa sense ko dito. Kasi you need to really think about it. Di mo alam kung kakanan ka ba o kakaliwa ka. And then you will be asked, saan ako pupunta? Do not ever doubt yourself, okay? You just need to wait. You just need to prepare even more. Kasi parang meron kang na-miss na step nung January and February. Kaya this time, this month, you have to be very careful, okay? You have to be very careful, calculated risk lahat. Make sure na you are being, tawag dito, you're not saying harsh things to yourself, okay? Hold on, tingin tayo ng oracle card. Yan, oracle card mo. This is from the Goddesses Oracle deck. Tingnan natin which way. Ooh, wisdom. Ayan. So, tama nga yung nasa sense ko dito, no? So, ngayon, talagang by March, mag-aaral ka, pag-iisipan mong mabuti kung ano na yung mga steps na gagawin mo. You will be very intentional about it. Yan. So, wag kang magpa-down masyado dun sa nangyari ng January, February. Awareness, yan, very much aware ka na sa, oops, ito yung nangyari in January, February, I don't want to do it again. You need to be very, kumbaga, stay present talaga. Stay present, be very aware. And itong moment na to, yun yung kailangan mong pagfokusan. So, stop going back to what had happened. Huwag kang doon ka na i-stuck eh. So, anuhin mo yung momentum mo. Vision, oh my gosh, look. So see the future and bring it into the present. So if you really, this is the time for you to manifest. I-manifest mo yung mga gusto mong mangyari. Put it into action, and then hindi mo naman kasi pwedeng, alam mo yun, kasi I think people often miss the fact na kapag nagmamanifest ka, parang inasa mo na lang sa universe, tapos pag hindi binigay ni universe, you'll blame universe na hindi naman totoo manifestation, but you're not putting in the work. So you need to put in the work, okay? You need to put in the work while you're manifesting for it. Okay, you have to believe, you have to do something about it as well. Hindi mo lahat iaasa kay universe. See? Be very empathic, lalo na sa sarili mo ngayon, okay? I'm also sensing here na there is a friend or friends na pwede mong makausap about this, pwede mong magbigay sa'yo ng guidance when it comes to dealing with this. Kasi you've kept it for so long. 2 months is very long actually. Na parang, bakit sarili mo lang? Bakit sinarili mo lang? You can share it. Lalo na kung meron ka mapagkakatiwalaang kaibigan. Go to that friend, tell everything, sabihin mo lahat, and then I'm sure merong isa o dalawang kaibigan kang maaasahan. Okay? Hope. See? Be very hopeful. Wag kang magpaka-down dun sa nangyari na hindi maganda. It has to happen because it has to happen. Very cliche man yun, but it's not yet time. Okay? It's not yet time. Kaya, do not ever doubt yourself. Queen of Wands to, do not ever doubt yourself, okay? Do not ever doubt yourself. You just need to really prepare for it. Do not be, alam ko nag-prepare ka, pero meron ka talagang na-miss na step. So, ayan o, parang, di ba yung paa niya, parang naka-forward. So, meron kang, kumbaga, may misstep kang na take, parang ganun. Okay? So, angel message for you for the month of March. Yan. Tingnan natin. Angel message for the one who's watching this, please. Thank you. Romance, there's something better. The situation will improve and be assertive. Yan. So, the angels are even telling you to be assertive. You know what you want, you know where you want to go, and you know what things that you want to achieve. So, umpisahan mo na siya. Okay? Kumbaga, ka na mahiya, itodo mo na yan. Okay? Be assertive. The situation will definitely improve. And, kaya siguro lumabas tong romance card is because this is the time for you to care for yourself, love yourself. This is more of a self-care. Okay? Kumbaga, love para to sa sarili. Kasi, alam mo yung parang pakiramdam ko naka-autopilot ka. Pakiramdam ko naka-autopilot ka na you're just doing what you need to do. Alam mo yun? But, parang kulang ka sa focus, kumbaga parang puro pressure na lang. Which is not good as well, okay? And there's really something better. So, do not dwell on what had happened noong January and February. Kasi March is definitely parang a breath of fresh air. Okay? As long as you believe in yourself. Okay? So, that's your guidance for the month of March. So, I hope kahit pa paano may guidance. And I want you to remember that your angels are always with you. So, thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next. Bye!